Morning, nice to see you again. I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Jayaditya, grade 6. I am studying on Litera, Sr.Sec.School in Sivagangai. Today I am going to tell about getting to know plants. Plants are usually grouped into herbs, shrubs, and trees based on their height, nature of stem and branches. Plant absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Leaf give out water vapor through the process transpiration. The part of the flower. Petal, sepals, pistils and stamen. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.
Hi everyone, I am K.S. Sai Charanya from 8th A. In Stars and Solar System lesson, I am going to talk about constellations. The star forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called a constellation. Constellations were devised by ancient people to be able to recognize stars in the sky. The shape of constellation resembles objects familiar to those people. You can easily identify some constellations in the night sky. For this, you should know what a particular constellation looks like and where to look for it in the night sky. Now I am going to talk about Ursa Major, one of the most famous constellations which you can see during summer time in the early part of the night is Ursa Major. It is also known as the Big Dipper, the Great Bear or the Saptarishi. There are 7 prominent stars in this constellation. It appears like a big ladle or a question mark. There are 3 stars in the handle of the ladle and 4 in its bowl. Saptarishi has been associated with 7 well-known ancient Indian sages or rishis, as shown in the figure below. According to ancient mythology, the 7 sages who formed the Saptarishi preserve the eternal knowledge of Veda and explain it to people in every new year. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Kavya. I am studying grade 7 in Mount Litera, Sr.Sec.School, Sivagangai. Today I am going to tell about nutrition in plants.
Nutrition in plants. Like animals, plants also need food for growth and energy. Green plants synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of making food in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to make. Site of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis takes place only in green plants, mostly in the leaves and to a lesser extent in green stem and fluoroparts. Raw materials for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide plus water plus light energy plus chlorophyll. With the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide, plants synthesize carbohydrates and meet their energy requirements. Leaves take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil. Leaves have several tiny pore-like openings on their surface. These openings are called stomata. Carbon dioxide enters into the leaves through the stomata. Water from the soil is transported to the leaves through hair-like pipelines from the roots. These pipelines are known as xylem. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in chloroplast of green leaves. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide and water and converts them into carbohydrates and oxygen. The carbohydrates are used for providing energy. The unutilized carbohydrates are stored in the form of starch.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, I'm your friend Sumeha. I'm studying grade 8 in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School. Today I'm going to tell about noise and music. We hear different types of sound around us. Is the sound always pleasing? Does a sound sometimes cause discomfort to you? Some sounds are pleasant to the ear, where some are not. Suppose construction work is going on in your neighborhood. Are the sounds coming from the construction site pleasing? Do you enjoy the sounds produced by the horns of buses and trucks? Such unpleasant sounds are called noise. In a classroom, if all the students speak together, what would the sound produced be called? On the other hand, you enjoy sound from musical instruments. Musical sound is one which is pleasing to the ear. Sound produced by harmonium is a musical sound. The string of a sitar also gives out a musical sound. But if a musical sound becomes too loud, would it remain melodies? This is called noise and music. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gautam. My school name is Sr.Sec.School in Sivagangai. I am studying 7th standard. This is my science project. The topic is physical change and chemical change. Activity 6.3. Take some ice in a glass or plastic tumbler. Melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler in a sun. You have now a mixture of ice and water. Now place the tumbler is a freezing mixture in plus common salt. Thank you.